Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off or disable a shortcut for our magnification in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. We have a few shortcuts set up. For example, in our accessibility menu, we have our magnification here, as you can see. Turn off. We also have 3 tabs on the screen. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We want to change them or remove them. How to do it? Settings. Then we are looking for accessibility options. Here, visibility enhancements. And we are looking for magnification options. And in this menu, we have few options. We have our shortcuts. We have 2 shortcuts set up. Let's say we don't want a triple tap. Just uncheck this little box and now let's try. 1, 2, 3. It's gone. Now we have only this little shortcut here. If we want to remove it, we just we need to turn it off, and now our magnification won't appear in this little menu. Only we have the previous shortcut. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.